Hello, welcome to KYS News. Today, we'll be bringing you all the information about the Big Bang, the history of our planets, and how we discover them, with my co-hosts Adrian Tejas, the Thor, and Mecha Danny 2000. Now, Danny, tell the people about the Big Bang.
Hmm, the Big Bang. That huge explosion that no one can explain. Just like the bathroom after lasagna night. It was thanks to this that we have the solar system. Various studies made two asteroids which are considered as clues of the origin of our solar system. It is considered that our sun and planets were created about 4,6,000 millions of years ago from a massive molecular cloud. This initial cloud probably was light years long and was the home of birth of many diverse stars. Recent studies have determined that our solar system is exactly 4,568.2 million years old, about zero point 0.3 and 1.9 million years younger than was when we have previously started. But why is this important? Small difference is actually important since some of most important events occurred during the first 10 million of years of our solar system. The gas and dust which made this cloud originated during millions of years as a consequence of the process of hydrogen and ice inside stars. This process generated heavier elements which went through space at the end of the life from those respective stars.
Thanks, Mecha Danny 2000 for that information. Now, Thor, please tell us more about the stars.
How were we able to find these planets? First, we gotta understand what exactly a star is. A star is a huge, big ass, gigantic, voluptuous sphere of very hot glowing gas. Stars produce their own light and energy by a process called nuclear fusion. This fusion reaction happens when lighter elements are forced to become heavier elements. When this happens, a tremendous amount of energy is created, causing the star to heat up and shine. But since not every star is the same, they come in a variety of sizes and colors. Our Sun is an average-sized yellowish star. Stars which are smaller than our Sun are reddish and larger stars are bluish. Stars die and have a birth as we do, but they live up for 5 million years to reach only the adulthood. Now the question is how we smart asses got to know these cosmic giants. Human developed technology so fast to the point of being able to find and discover new planets with the help of lenses. It was thanks to this method that we were able to find new constellations and planets in the universe. Uranus, was the first discovered planet. Its discovery was actually an accident in 1781 by a British astronomer called William Herschel and was originally called Georgium Sidus in honor to King George III.
Oh boy, thanks for the info, Thor. Now it's my turn to tell you guys what happens when a star dies, as well as a little bit of history of our own species. What happens when a star dies? When a star dies, it explodes, turning itself into a supernova. But if the explosion is too big, then another event might happen, and that event is a black hole. A black hole, it's a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light can't get out. The gravity is so strong because the matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. Black holes can be big or small. Scientists think that the smallest black holes are as small as just one atom. These black holes are very tiny but have the mass of a large mountain. Fun fact: inside of the center of our galaxy are a series of supermassive black holes which will eventually devour the whole galaxy and us. Going back to our own planet, here on Earth, life has evolved so much in this time. From dinosaurs, which roamed the planet for about 165 million years, during which time the Earth's history was called Mesozoic era. It is difficult to imagine how long this was until we compare it with ourselves. We have lived on this earth for about 2 million years, and during that time we have made incredible progress on humanity's constant evolution.